Did you know that a natural remedy with powerful health benefits has been right under our noses for centuries? This ancient secret has been quietly growing in the sun-drenched groves of the Mediterranean, waiting to be rediscovered. It's not the olive oil you might be thinking of, but the often overlooked olive leaf. While olive oil has gained fame for its culinary and health benefits, the humble olive leaf has remained in the shadows despite its incredible potential. These leaves, treasured since ancient times, hold a key to unlocking a healthier life. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered the olive leaf for its medicinal properties, using it to treat a variety of ailments. For thousands of years, olive leaves have been used in traditional medicine. They were often brewed into teas, ground into powders, or used in poultices to harness their healing power. Cultures around the Mediterranean have long recognized their healing properties. In these regions, olive leaves were a staple in the apothecaries and homes of those who understood their value. Modern science is now catching up, confirming what these ancient cultures knew all along. Researchers have identified numerous bioactive compounds in olive leaves, such as oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, which contribute to their health benefits. Olive leaves are packed with potent compounds that offer a wide range of health benefits. These include anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, making them a versatile addition to any wellness regimen. From boosting immunity to supporting heart health, olive leaves are a true gift from nature. They can help lower blood pressure, improve cardiovascular function, and even support weight management. Join me as we explore the incredible power of olive leaves and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether you choose to enjoy them as a tea, a supplement, or a culinary ingredient, olive leaves offer a simple yet profound way to enhance your health and well-being. We all know and love olives. These small, flavorful fruits have been a part of our diets for thousands of years, adding a unique taste to our meals and snacks. And let's not forget olive oil. This golden liquid is a staple in kitchens worldwide, known for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits. From salad dressings to cooking, olive oil is a versatile ingredient that enhances our culinary experiences. But the olive tree offers another treasure: its leaves. Often overlooked, these leaves are packed with powerful compounds that have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries. These leaves have been revered for their medicinal properties for centuries. They contain oleuropein, a compound known for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. Ancient Egyptians used olive leaves for mummification, recognizing their ability to preserve and protect. They believed that these leaves could ward off evil spirits and bring good health. In ancient Greece, olive leaves were a symbol of peace and victory. They were woven into wreaths and crowns, awarded to victorious athletes and warriors as a mark of honor and respect. Beyond their symbolic use, olive leaves were also used to treat wounds and infections. The Greeks recognized their healing properties and used them in various medical treatments. The Bible even mentions the healing power of olive leaves. They were considered a gift from nature, capable of promoting health and well-being. These traditional uses highlight the historical significance of olive leaves in promoting health and well-being. Across different cultures and eras, olive leaves have been a trusted remedy. Today, we are rediscovering the potent properties of this ancient remedy, backed by modern scientific research. Studies have shown that olive leaf extract can help lower blood pressure, improve cardiovascular health, and boost the immune system. As we continue to explore the benefits of olive leaves, we find that they are indeed more than just a byproduct of the olive tree. They are a powerful tool for health and wellness, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. The secret to the olive leaf's power lies in its remarkable compounds. Olive leaf extract, derived from the leaves of the olive tree, Olea europaea, is a concentrated source of these beneficial compounds. One key compound is oleuropein, a powerful antioxidant with numerous health benefits. Olive leaf extract also contains other polyphenols, flavonoids, and terpenoids that contribute to its overall health-promoting effects. These compounds work together to provide antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. This makes olive leaf extract a versatile natural remedy for a wide range of health concerns. In today's world, we're constantly exposed to free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants are our body's defense system against these harmful free radicals. Olive leaf extract is a potent antioxidant, even more so than green tea. Oleuropein, the key antioxidant in olive leaves, effectively neutralizes free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. By reducing oxidative stress, olive leaf extract may help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Adding olive leaf extract to your daily routine can be a powerful way to boost your body's natural defenses. Boosting your defenses. Olive leaves for immune support. A strong immune system is crucial for staying healthy. Olive leaf extract can be your ally in boosting your body's natural defenses. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties help fight off infections. Studies have shown that olive leaf extract can effectively combat various viruses, including the flu virus. It can also inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, reducing the risk of infections. By strengthening your immune system, olive leaf extract can help you stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Incorporating it into your diet can be a natural way to support your body's ability to fight off infections. Heart-healthy habits, olive leaves, and cardiovascular wellness. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. Olive leaves, already associated with heart-healthy olive oil, offer additional benefits for cardiovascular health. Olive leaf extract helps lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. It also improves blood flow and reduces LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. These benefits are attributed to oleuropean's ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. By supporting healthy blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood flow, olive leaf extract contributes to a healthy heart. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with diabetes. Olive leaf extract shows promise in helping regulate blood sugar. Studies suggest that olive leaf extract can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively. It can also help lower blood sugar levels after meals. By improving insulin sensitivity and managing blood sugar spikes, olive leaf extract can be a valuable tool for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Bringing olive leaves into your life. Now that you know about the remarkable benefits of olive leaves, you're probably wondering how to incorporate them into your daily routine. The good news is that there are simple and enjoyable ways to do so. One popular option is olive leaf tea. You can find pre-packaged tea bags or purchase dried olive leaves to brew your own. The tea has a slightly bitter, earthy flavor that many find pleasant. Another option is olive leaf extract supplements. These are available in capsule, tablet, or liquid form, providing a concentrated dose of beneficial compounds. Choose a reputable brand and follow the recommended dosage. Choosing the right olive leaf product. With so many olive leaf products available, it's important to choose wisely. Look for high-quality products from reputable brands that prioritize purity and potency. When choosing olive leaf extract supplements, pay attention to the oleuropean content. Higher oleuropean concentrations generally indicate greater potency. Consider your individual needs and preferences when selecting a product. For olive leaf tea, opt for organic varieties whenever possible to avoid pesticides and herbicides. Experiment with different brands and brewing methods to find what you enjoy most. A natural path to wellness. Olive leaves, a gift from nature, offer a wealth of health benefits. From boosting immunity and supporting heart health to regulating blood sugar and fighting free radicals, their potential is remarkable. These leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, revered for their healing properties and natural goodness. By incorporating olive leaf tea or extract into your daily routine, you can take a simple yet powerful step towards better health. Whether you prefer the soothing ritual of brewing tea or the convenience of an extract, the benefits are at your fingertips. You can harness the power of this ancient remedy to enhance your well-being. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of olive leaf tea, feeling the natural energy boost and clarity it provides. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, as they can provide personalized advice and ensure it's safe for you. This is especially important if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications, as interactions can occur. Embrace the natural path to wellness with olive leaves. Picture yourself walking through a serene olive grove, feeling connected to nature and its healing powers. Experience the transformative effects they can have on your health. Incorporate them into your wellness routine, whether through tea, extracts, or even supplements. Start incorporating them into your life today. Make it a part of your daily ritual and notice the positive changes in your energy levels, immune system, and overall vitality. Discover the difference they can make. Embrace this natural, holistic approach to health and well-being, and let the power of olive leaves guide you on your journey to a healthier, happier life. Share your olive leaf journey. Are you ready to unlock the power of olive leaves? I encourage you to try incorporating them into your daily routine. Whether you choose olive leaf tea or supplements, start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust accordingly. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the full benefits of natural remedies like olive leaves. I'd love to hear about your experience with olive leaves. Share your thoughts, questions, and results in the comments below. Let's embark on this journey to better health together.